Welcome back. We've got Charlene Patton with us this morning from the Kansas Soybean Commission. She's going to be sharing with us her recipe for chicken and cheese quesadillas with some edamame salad. Well, good morning, Charlene.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
Happy to have you.
This is actually the cover photo that's on our Soy Foods Guide. So if they didn't get it last week, be sure to get out your paper and pencil, and we'll tell you how to get that. But we're serving a edamame salad with this. Look how pretty those colors are.
So pretty.
We have edamame here, and I cooked it just as the directions say. And most of the time now, when you buy the frozen package, you can cook it right in that package. Put it in the microwave. That makes it makes it really easy. And then we have 1 pint of cherry tomatoes here. All right, so now you're going to add red onion that I've chopped there, and I'll stir this together.
Go ahead and sprinkle that in there.
Perfect.
Those colors in
Yes.
there.
And then some cilantro. Do you like cilantro?
I do. I know that it's an acquired taste for some, but I love it. It's so good.
And you could leave it out if you don't like it. And then we have some lemon juice that lime juice. We're doing lime and lemon this month, so this is lime.
Here's
there we
lime.
go.
Perfect.
And then a little bit of salt.
Alrighty, I'll go ahead and sprinkle that in there. Oh, that smells so good.
And what they suggest to do then is to just put this alongside our quesadillas and serve it. So I'm going to show you how I made the quesadillas. This is our mixture. I sauteed onion and garlic to start with, and then we mixed in after that some corn, and you can use frozen corn or canned corn, drain it, and some edamame, and saute that all.
And cooked edamame?
Okay,
perfect.
Well, actually it was already cooked because I took a half a cup out of this. So, but you can just warm it back up. And then we added a package of the Mexican grated cheddar cheese that have several different kinds of cheeses, and some shredded cooked chicken. So we have that here, and then we're going to take a tortilla, and to make our quesadillas, we'll just put it about a half a cup on half of it. And then the skillet that we use to cook our onion, we'll put this back in there, fold it over, put that in your skillet, and then brown it on each side. And that will melt that cheese in there. And it takes just about 3 to 4 minutes. And then turn it over, and then there you have it. You have the quesadillas there. And then let's just add a little bit of that salad there to it. How is that?
Beautiful.
Very
Perfect
good.
for spring, nice and bright.
That's right. That's right.
Absolutely.
They can get the recipe by calling our 800 number 877 KS Soybean, or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, and we'll have the recipes there. But be sure to call and get the Soy Foods Guide. It's filled with all kinds of information.
Yes. Gorgeous. Well, thank you so much, Charlene. Thank you for being with us this morning, and be sure to check it out. We'll be right back.